So today's video is going to be just a cook with me video. I'm just going to make some lunch. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. I'm going to try to recreate the Wendy's, I don't know if it's like an extra cheesy salad, Caesar salad or something like that, but I will like put the name across. I'll look it up and get the correct name, but I'm going to try to recreate that today for my lunch today. So what you're going to need is, let me show you, chicken, some chicken tenderloins I'm going to cut up and just fry those up. So you need some olive oil or just some kind of oil to cook the chicken in. And for seasoning, I'm going to be using some garlic salt, pepper, and parsley. I just put parsley on everything just for the look of it. And then I'm also going to use this marinade while it's cooking just a little bit, just to add a little bit more flavor to it. And then once it's done, I'm going to be using some croutons. These are just cheese croutons or cheese garlic croutons, but you can use Caesar or whatever flavor you guys want. And then one thing that I noticed they add on there too are these Parmesan crisps. So I just picked up, I think, everything from Walmart. So Parmesan crisp, and then some Caesar dressing and Parmesan cheese. So yeah, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up the meat. Oh, and lettuce, obviously. So I'm going to cut up the lettuce and dice up the meat and get it going, and then I'll turn the camera back on. I'm going to use a plate. So I'm just going to cut the lettuce up. I'm just using this green leaf lettuce from Walmart. It's already washed and all that good stuff. So I need to use it up, and I'm going to be using a lot because I'm going to have some right now, but then I'm also going to have some for dinner. So I've been trying to make myself just cook. I cook like earlier in the day or the night before, just like prep at least an extra meal or so every time I cook, so that I can have something ready available, so I don't, you know, want to eat fast food or junk food. So I'm just here for a second and check on the chicken. Move you guys. Oops. I made extra chicken. I think I showed it to you guys, but I used chicken tenderloins and then just cubed them up. And you can use chicken breast or whatever you know, like chicken breast or chicken tenderloins, probably the best. I'm sure they use chicken breast, but I don't like chicken breast. I feel like it's too thick. So let's see, right here. Go ahead and start layering the toppings on. I don't know what order they do it in, but I'm going to do it my way. Just got the inspiration from there. It's so good, but I don't have Wendy's Plus here. Plus, you can just make it on your own for probably the same price. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on. I'm going to add more later, but I love cheese. And I believe it's a cheese Caesar, something like that, but, or Parmesan Caesar, maybe. And add a few croutons. That way when we're done, we can just layer on the chicken and add a little bit more cheese and we'll be good. Well, these are bigger crisps than the ones they have at Wendy's, but it's still going to taste good. A few of those. I'm going to put these away, and no, not that. Put these two away and then check our chicken. Chicken good. I'm about done. Alright, so I put our chicken on there. Put the rest in this container so that I can have some for later. Put the next salad. So now my dinner is cooked. And it's 1 o'clock, so I don't have to worry about it tonight. And sprinkle just a little more cheese on the chicken. Got a little bit of dressing on there. Let me show you what it looks like without the dressing first, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it, put it on there and look cute, but that's what it looks like. So it looks really good without the dressing. So I have a little dressing on there. I think kind of a good amount, so yeah. Oops. Alright, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.